Triton is the leader to find solutions for an innovative breathing system in the water. Triton can be used for water sports like snorkeling, and Triton can also be the perfect tool for lifeguard at the beach or electric boats. It's a product that has infinite potentials that can change our future, how we breathe underwater. Today, we can actually say that we are proud to be the first company that made the first functional artificial gills breathing system that people around the world can use for just snorkeling or use professionally. To breathe underwater, we must learn how to use complicated oxygen respirator. But what if we could stay underwater for a long time through an easy way? The solution is Triton. It allows us to breathe underwater for a long time by simply biting. Triton is the compact artificial gills breathing system that has been created by various technologies. Our artificial gills developed with micropores or fiber are smaller than water molecules and can extract the oxygen from water. It's a connector that has a special compound on the inside that blends the oxygen with the compound by chemical way. Our micro battery is a modified lithium-ion battery that allows us to swim underwater with the Triton maximum 45 minutes. The whole process of Triton works with a microcompressor. It's a low-power electric component that's controlled with the sensitive sensors. It compresses the oxygen and stores the extracted oxygen in a storage tank. The experience with the Triton will be amazing. You can enjoy for the advanced snorkeling underwater like never before. We hope our product will bring new and fun memories for you that will last forever. Thank you for watching.
Sport is our energy. It is essential for us to remain healthy, stay in shape, and live longer. We have the technology that will change your life, change the way you work out, and achieve your goals. No matter if you're an ambitious athlete or just someone who wants to keep in shape. Introducing the revolutionary Antelope series. Exercise smart. You have the full control over what your workout is about. Antelope utilizes state-of-the-art electromuscle stimulation technology, which forces muscle contraction using electrical impulses. This safe and well-proven method exactly mimics natural muscle contraction. But as the stimulus occurs directly on the muscle, it activates a much higher percentage of the muscle fibers than through normal exercising. That's the secret of why our Antelope is so effective.
Triathlon is a very time-consuming sport. You have to plan your schedule exactly to integrate into your day-to-day life, as every minute counts. Antelope helps me to achieve my goals in the most effective way.
Integrate it into any sporting activity and make your workout more effective. Enhance strength, endurance, coordination and speed. Get on the bike and supercharge your back or leg muscles. Go outside jogging and simultaneously train your upper body. Combine endurance training and power training. Whether you're training outside, at the gym, in the hotel on your business trip, or at home, with our products, everything is possible. No limits. The Antelope suit has integrated electrodes placed on all major muscle groups, that can be activated all at the same time. Consisting of lightweight, special compression fabrics with integrated textile electrodes and wiring, the Antelope feels just like your usual sports clothing. Simply attach the electronic control unit onto the side and control the system comfortably through our fully synchronized Antelope app. That's how easy it is.